Here I've got KRUGER MATZ Flow 6 Lite, and let me show you how to update applications on the following device. So at first, let's open your Play Store. Now slide right to open more functions. Let me do it one more time. Hello. Okay, here we've got it, and now click on My Apps and Games. In the first tab you will notice all applications that can be updated, so here you've got them, and you can either update all applications at once by tapping on Update All, or you can simply update one particular application, for example Messages. Just click on Update. Now the latest version is downloaded, and then it will be installed. You can see the progress over here, so as you can see, now we've got the installation process, and within a couple of seconds you will be able to use the newest version of Messages. And here it is. If you scroll down, you will be able to notice recently updated applications. Obviously you can update all at once, as I told you at the beginning, and then you can use your device in the normal way as it will be done in the background. So that would be all. This is how you can update applications in your KRUGER MATZ. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.